Yay, groundhog! You predict no more winter. It is a balmy 17 degrees out here in Michigan. Hey, I wanted to talk about something. I've been listening to some Dave Ramsey lately, and he said when you pay in cash, you you activate the pain centers of your brain. Well, I was kind of skeptical because anybody that's promoting anything one direction or the other has the opportunity to make the facts say what they want them to say. Now, I'm not trying to say that Dave Ramsey is lying or anything. I was just kind of skeptical about it. But yesterday, I got to see the pain in action. We went to the doctor's office, and some guy came in, and Dr. Tynes introduced him and his wife to us. And his wife said that Seth was her favorite boy besides their boy. So this guy whips out a handful of dollar bills. I think there was 4 there. And he just says, well, here, Seth, since you're my wife's favorite boy, you can have this. And I'm just sitting there taken aback, but he leaves, and after the doctor's visit, we go to the store because it was payday and we wanted to get, a few things to eat and have some lunch. When we got in the store, Seth, he wanted to spend his money immediately. And he talked about different things, and we put the kibosh on nearly all of them. Well, we got to the cash register, and he saw something he wanted, and I didn't want to deprive him. So I finally said, okay, I'll tell you what, this is more than what he gave you. It was like $5.99, and he had $4 minus the tithe, which is $3.60. So I said, well, you go ahead and you give me the money, or I'll put it on my card, and you can have the car. It went through the cash register, and he had the car, and he was all happy for about 2 minutes. And he said, now next time we can go spend my money. And I said, no, your money's already spent. And from that point on, the pain centers were activated. We got out into the parking lot and started driving out of the parking lot, and he said, I think I want to take that toy back and get my money back. And so I took him through customer service, and I told him what had happened, and they were, I said, we haven't even played with it. We just bought it and turned around and brought it back. And they were kind enough to exchange it for us and put the money back on the card, and then I gave him back his money. So I guess what I'm trying to say is Dave Ramsey was right. I saw it in my kid. He spent the cash, or the cash was gone, and when he realized that he didn't have what he had anymore, he decided that what he got for it wasn't as important as he thought it was going to be. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click on the notification bell to receive all of our videos. We are also on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and LinkedIn. We have a free TubeBuddy app or link. I hope you guys have a great day. Anyway, that's my 2 cents for the day. Thanks for watching. God bless, and see you next time.